Hi, Miracle Ladies. Welcome to the session. How are you doing? Sharvat, Michelle,
Excellent.
amazing.
Doing good, Satinder. Thank you. Hi, Sharvat. How are you?
Amazing. Great. So today we're going to talk about something really, really important, which plays really important role in our life. We're going to talk about that mastermind group. Okay. A mastermind group is going to change our life in much more way. That's what I personally think. You guys must have heard that people around you determine what you become eventually, and this is going to help us understand how we can add more value to our life and remove any sort of toxicity that we have in our life. Let me explain you how. So if you see page number 108 in your manual, it's having great people around you can greatly help you not only stay committed to your quest but enjoy the ride all the more. Okay. And your incredible coaches, your incredible you coach will introduce you to other people on the program, so you can have support. They will make you laugh, change, and can help you change, can help you achieve your goals, can help you get success. Yeah. Now it has got a classification, like here are some rough guideline for each group type. So we have our friends, in our surrounding, people you choose to hang out with for fun. Then there is family, yeah, which is god gifted. Then peers, people you work with at a professional level. And then coach and incredible you members. Okay, so we have this classification. Now I will be, why we are doing this activity is that we need to figure out that where you spend most of your time, and that what kind of impact people are leaving on you, and then what value it's been you're getting from the people who are surrounding you. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions, both of you, and then there is page number 111. I want you to do complete this activity, but I'm going to talk a little bit out of this. Okay, but I want you to answer each question and then figure out that where we stand. So quickly, I will ask, who makes you laugh, Sharvat?
My kids, my sisters.
Amazing, wonderful. Who makes you think differently, Michelle?
The kids,
Kids make
especially
you.
when I'm with their homework, we've got to quickly think.
Same goes with me. My elder daughter pushes me to think differently, and she has solution for everything. Yeah, so they're growing amazing. Who challenges you, Sharvat?
My husband.
Amazing. Yeah. So you have somebody in the family who's challenging you. Who inspires you?
Michelle or me.
Okay. Ah, that's amazing. That's wonderful. So are you tolerating someone? Michelle?
Tolerating means?
Tolerating someone
As you
to
don't
whom
want.
you don't like, and still you talk, and then okay. Who's that?
Unfortunately, it's a family member, so I don't think there's much you can do about it. So
Okay.
you
So
have
how
to tolerate.
much? Okay, and no problem. How much time do you spend with that family member to whom you tolerate, who don't add value to
For
your
us.
life? So is it a tolerance which doesn't add any value to your life? Okay. And then what, can I spend more time with people who support you, nurture you, and add value? Sharvat, is it possible for you that you spend more
Yes.
time? Yeah.
Actually, I've been doing it for the couple of a year now. For a year. Okay.
Okay.
When I started the coaching program, I figured out that the more I spend time with the incredible you coaches, mashallah, they inspire me and they give me the energy to move forward. So yes.
Amazing. Now, step two is that these are going to be the toxic questions. It's mentioned on page 112. The people you choose to spend time which should be inspiring, positive, and honest in their opinion. So you should choose these kind of people. If someone you hang out with does not currently bring any value to your life, you want to do something about it, then answer the 7 toxic, identify questions which we have here, which you need to do it. Okay, your 1 or 2 I'm going to ask you. So what am I gaining by spending limited precious time with those toxic people? Do you gain something?
No, actually, no.
Okay, and what am I losing by spending limited precious time with that person? What do you lose?
Precious
I
time.
lose
And
energy. I lose energy.
absolutely,
And
you get
and,
less
focusing.
motivated. Focus
And focusing. Yes.
Amazing. What would happen if I didn't spend any precious time with them? What will happen?
Use that, channel that time into something more productive.
You
For
become
sure,
more
yes.
productive. Amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what would happen if I didn't what would happen if I didn't spend my precious time with them at all? Like, very less, I would say. If it's family, you cannot do it at all, you can but reduce it. Okay, so what are you going to do differently about how you spend your time with these people? What do you think what you can do?
Try to find a way not to spend time with them.
Yes, or if I'm there, I would be absent-minded.
You can be mentally prepared. Whatever they're going to say, you will be least bothered. Second,
Yes.
that you try to reduce the time if it's family. Yeah,
That's
you hang
true.
out with people who inspire you. And I must say that when I joined this mastermind group, there are people who really motivated me. I have a friend who really motivates me, so I feel like hanging out with her more. So that's how you can select people who can motivate you, inspire you, who can help you to achieve the goals which you have. Yeah, so that's how the mastermind is really important. Now I want you to do this activity, and which I'm going to check next week, which is on page 111 and 113. Okay, and then we are going to check that in coming week. Okay, you can send it to me on the email as well. Yeah. All right. So it was wonderful talking to you. Please keep on checking that with whom you're hanging out. Keep on adding good people who motivates you, who encourage you. And that's how you can grow in your life. Okay. Thank you so much.
I've learned a lot. Yes. Thank you, dear.
Amazing.
I've learned
Bye-bye.
a lot. Bye-bye.